Obedi. I know Obedi, no be me, Ubabedi, Unana Bedi. Ahi. Hey, Joe Mama. Hey, Yezueza.
Nama Etana.
Nama Etana.
Nama one day you cry. You name the Nikoye. Every son no vice president to buy your Ushi. No, I be a super president. You be Ghana for your bewu.
Because I could have a fee. Or because school one we know about 6 months. Yenim Yabano, Bobby Chiwi.
Mean to Aba. I didn't know to Aba. Mean to because me too, I mean, him for so I mean,
Osha de Yakoso for now. I think NPP deserve another 8 years. Yes, breaking the 8 and scattering everywhere. We are moving Ghana forward. Whether they like it or not, it is still what Bawumia and it is possible.
Oba Imam Pacho ni di befrose.
Mpacho me de oba kuajewa.
Wa me kuajewa yan hwa fia batu ya eja e basu yi eho. Na wo hwema amanyeku NPP ni NDC na ginam afi wo muso ento aba na amanyeku afra. Usu se wo hwa sesenam na kotoba hwana ka bato aba de ma no.
Oh papa, we kura danza so ma mekasa. NPP aban Wamwa buaya yo
sa
gombo buaya papa sanya MPP abaya nka me manyina agufie me mbaya nsum na me kuna wun na me omo wiawie school MPP abaya dawro ma ene me bani bi ya nurse ni ebi ya nurse ebi susu yayi wamwa buaya papa nurse for allowance o sa da bansi o se wanwe me fluka
ana kwaso
ye betwam enso so MPP abaya baye me baya nyabi amanne misuma sebi enti MPP abai de obi a obekwa kwato aba hwasuru ho na okokromotie fama Dr. Mamudu Bawumia fa bone se pan na yebedi hie MPP abai de samugyawa ye de ansa begu yetie su
me to bi ba no kasa o di ma service sa Accra won sa
me pacho dabi ei me sisa na makwahi mami papa osi aka ne se ma no kura fonfom me da bro so
ase ro ma so obedi bu o se ba
enka na menti ha MPP abada wuro ma hwebe bia meti amajeja me ho a wabeto me a me no kasa yi ka na menti ha MPP abada o ma ye bia ma me ne mabusu ya papa
Abanu metu bi pa
okay we
seveni afrapo metu abanu
oni afrapo beto ba no
na mama abema Bawumia showdown
mama Bawumia showdown
me na me ka kire wo efi se dokru nu bi keta 20 cedi asala metumi di dokru mi bajo ma nyama no me to a me ko to a na ya tum me tumi
yahu toye
meta na mo di abanu me to credit 1 week na credit na asa de bia me to credit me use hwe nti ye baba mu showdown
me de me ka me nkuto a enka yento abane ma MPP de enti a me trase yento abane ma MPP ni say me ka sa tama na NDC woso no mami ya wabase vice president o di Mahama vice president onu no gi teachers training allowance any nursing training allowance from sem nana here for be free baby di janku fa bunu mu do ho German district waba school academy papa wonye bi enti me nkuto dia yanto abama MPP no mu to a wo ne pa ne so if is a free education ohia ni banya bi o sikani banya bi enti yanto ma number 1 so na la we chan butanko o so na la we chan butanko echim na la we chan butanko prada
NDC ne ko John Mama number 1
number 1
hey oi there number 8
okay
let me see John Mama ne ko
okay
if you say na do ba ye hunu so ye hu chiri ye nkola akra ye ntumi hwo enti afi we die ye die kokko mroti no ma John Mama
abatu ya abedie number 1 Bawumia number 1 onua na ekọ free education hey oni bi eja okọ school enti anto me hwan ya boto ama enti December 7th yes number 1 enua na
mama ma for say dwema ye dene no anko ye ti afem ko sem
debi edwamu dia de obienu wa baba edwawei abasan akwa nenim bia na akwa neti kwa me nkroma ebroso fetetete enti saa na ekọ enti nya say bia aban fufo bi ban wa baka say wotu waji skana fa ye adwuma dabi enti number 1 ono na ekọ
se dokulu 5 cedi dokulu 5 cedi ni o jo mama ta 1 cedi dokulu 5 cedi no nie 5 cedi dokulu ukoto more 5 cedi city no dokro 5 city jo mama tell me 1 city say 5 city I no bedi no be mi uba bedi una na bedi ahi jo mama yesu eza bla jo mama why you bida be ye to aso be ye ye minimum set na tie bia na wa na ekọ efise wiase bia edro no enko na chi bia anwa mi sise ekọ Togo anwa akokoto ye na first na 1.3 ene na so anwa na ofiri okọ ye no ekọ 1.9 Togo ene Ghana ndi be bia wiase enko na chi bia abata bia eni ma ne ekọ meba okọ saito tukọ wanya nya school kitwa number 1 enwa na ekọ yenko ye chie ni wan ye ko
December 7th ko
ye ko ye nim
na ma e cha na ko number 1 de ye hu kura ye nim de ni ko ye every so no vice president do pa ye hu shi no abedi ye su president ni de ye be Ghana for ye be wu enti no na ma e to no na ko o mu twa mu twan o mu ko so na mu ba fa mu do mu 3 from kra na ma e cha ye pe Ghana for Jinatubu na ma eta na ko
Osha the also for now. I think NPP deserve another 8 years. Yes, breaking the 8 and scattering everywhere. We are moving Ghana forward. Whether they like it or not, it is still what Bawumia and it is possible.
Yes, Mahama, Obedi Subi, Obi also about the second coming. How Ghana necessity to buy no my year as an NPP.
Second coming, the second coming of Christ wouldn't be easy for us, and it's the same thing. So no need for me to even waste my time on Mahama because I don't want to talk about him.
Me too aba.
I didn't want to aba.
Me too because me too me nim faso a me yawo.
24-hour economy to myself when you
Onde jo Mahama na eko.
Jo Mahama na eko. Jo Mahama na eko.
Omuko no mu bakura jo Mahama obe wini.
Me ba cho ide tira Ghana for say to Obama Yura Mahama. Na obe di Ghana.
Yeah, the sister city. I say to manu if say the akoso no ye hu anu.
Eno man koye.
Ye hu hwi anu. Sa uba say uba be change Ghana no say na uba be mu Ghana. Enti say system.
You know ba mo ni na na ku for ma mu o man Ghana.
O ma mu no be say scan ko.
Oh, okay.
Scan no the one ni crop ni busuafo ni nadanfofo.
Okay. It is December 7th Ghana for nyina to Obama NDC.
Ono number 8. Number 8.
Number 8. Yes.
No kura wanyame anim enkokọ ne sunsun be fa no enye nkokọ na asam na me ba be ka no wa ha e kire se a confirm ni ko Niger enti nkokọ ni so be ko Mali se wati ase na me de sese de me be kasa ho e 24 hours economy me mo me ma no mo sole mo night club 24 hours economy enti me sila no de aye de enti me mba so 24 hours economy ya fale no ya suro no na ha so me ntimi nja ha me mo me ba 2 o'clock na ma ko 9 o'clock when the bet to aso agisa me de ma laba na opewu omo so mo ntimi nto aso ma me ntimi sira no se sia no ekofu ado Mr. Siano me pay free delivery. Na me dia wo me mana aka no. Say sia omo di anim no ko free education. Me bre na switcha. Say sia me pese me wo 10 aka ho. 10 na me pese omo wo no. Me pay free delivery. Dia toso. And free education no. O increase no na university sambram. Ano ni ntoso. Odidi na eba. Mama de dia na eba. Me see catch Mahama say me say ontimenye na nkoko nketenkete no nsunsun kura be fa won you know Mali no omo se omo abra yen omo ntime mpa nkoko so ma yen enti yesre no nkoko ni de yen ntime nyen de aya ni free education no free education e ba yen no abua krofo bebre eti Ghana fo yen mam Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia yen to man no meto na na ekufu ado de ne so eno an ye pese ye to it is possible.
I feel about to wow shani I quite chem will be in country. And chem will be in Becase, so Wabacose, wow shower sitting not to Abapa.
No, show system to say.
Minimum be a system, I may show my sitting more. And you've been a back at him, some men to my bama number one. Okay. If some fear free education, me mammy, I feel 1 ton and so much. And maybe my ton and so many never be brain or they may call it. And so familiar no me and no call any na, me mammy and ton and so much, young ton ye be, and then run the same on provisions in getting our car. Me then I say, so no mess out so much, no sound so mammy.
Oh, my two about NPP.
Mamma didn't know who was what about them.
Hey, because NPP on your shakran or bar and your papa backroom. Free education be a bar. Did it a be a bar. And your mother brave no the abba. And this our Casamation my sister to about the Matua NPP because why are your papa or Ghana?
Let me watch your Mahama so be all be dibisum. I no name said that Mamoni said this year. What's the Ghana from Montauba, man? No one trust no sir and Yansha because I'm on NPP money. And some can talk, Maso.
Maybe I know what Tomacumas, Mamma, by the end of a me who are the beer, Mamma, because I do I say cook no more to call Burkina Faso. Say crowd your day boss and cook on getting 24 hours here I can once 24 hours or what a dada. Who call police for Obiqua Jumana, Obiqua Jumana, Oko hospital, Obiqua Jumana, Obiqua Jumana. It's be 24 hours and come. Who call a pass a crab, Mammy Binia watch all. And also on Yana, 24 hours. The same 24 hours. Intimidate me who 24 hours for Frubia. I will order that.
Ghana phone to Mama December.
I'm to Abama MPP. Bawumia.
Omoda say.
Number one.
Oh, okay.
And one echo.
Because I met to Abano, Emma number 8. It was a show, my Mama head. Tom, I can't say Aban Dadano. Yes, on your Corano. In Yamaya. And I did the dada I said about baby VHS. On Tremo. But it's sort of Muslim Namaka and a band to Abama. This year, dear Kaneke. NDC and
they was a Ghana for top body moment. It has.
I can't mean to mention that yet. Matuamana, but the Matuaman is the Matuaman should share was in a mona few MPP be this NDC be this one. One of the ocean Mama to me was sitting in pa. Ah, dear, or to me, Buama, woman in there. And I'm coming moment and MPP Sambe this one. Actually, I say, oh, the Obama best have a good school, need a medium MP. I remember my MPP.
Because me free education my young fast so me ba kobi and na school na me ba nyae ni max nya oba se bia me kita skaka me ba ntimi nko ho me dem vote my MP because my young fast so
na mo gide je say December MPP betimi awe ni
betimi awe ni
na o sha MPP position be na mo da o ballot paper no so
one
me dem nyae a nka wasaka yesisa kebi MPP o NDC ko montana se na ka from ra nanso o mai mu ha no NDC ni MP
good
won't me and system
good
media me bon pa say Nyankopon na nsine hin Nyankopon na eso osine
na Nyankopon be say say enipa da sene yeso e de ko promote kotoro e di usu say bia nka o MPP be di so NDC di so wo hwe na no mum say o wado to mo no wasetene mu
na NDC wo so no dum so ne do so dodo
good
e na ne MPP so ba ye no dollar ne na cost ro enema cost ro pa chese enya easy light bill cry ntimi light bill first light bill no cramp enya easy my yen what I say see anasa ntimi dem me beto am MPP
bottom MPP thank you
media no my because free education no me who fa so e was
free education no fa
yes because akwada bebe fie obeko school 1 week no wa betena fie 6 months yenyinyim ye ba no obi mu chiwi Chelsea NDC time enye sana school nitie intermediate number 8
locomotive power
okay
me to ama number 1 if so by free education niema bebre wa ye akukwa sachira koma enya ne fe
okay
ai wo mo do mo manako enso da bia wo mo system say number 1 aje mama ampo Bawumia
menim say atare o hye nege say okoto aba da mayro Mahama ugide say Mahama ebedi so a ebetimi abo man Ghana ade nti na wo say obedi o man so
oda aba bo da djuma na oye na oji ego na oda aba na obo chiado wa ya kwan wa ja ba bi hu ntumi anchiado wa sisi school de
hospitals when you want to do that the mama but no what you do about your mama but to why so
na say Ghana ko to ba ma MPP be ma MPP oh
I'm one class education about one year she will there be a fred kitchen go for sure mother dada yen no bo sure ba me go for sure mother dada e percentage work school e kwa work school e be fred kitchen quote we be fred kitchen quote inside the one by December medjuma na ya twa do ko your mama na no ro ko
December 7 Ghana fon ko to ma yiro ma
2 months your mama hey your mama
Assembly the next yes Montre so Ghana for Pimo achiro magwene afa abato ye ba ho eba so December 17 no hwa genchire na manyakuofo no obi am peke ne de ewom se obi sia obi ade support ema mo no mo so munya saa fa mo mo ba so a onyo makoma so ade nyina ye Ghana fo na hwa de se na manfo chiro magwene na wo so genchire ne sei ba comment bla e wo dwumadi ase na so be kire wagwene e wa de party so medan akosi adwada from agio manage ho yie pa producer no producer bia so e Jane on e producer bia kama dem ma de party so Taptap Send ana so ya se ne aboa na dwumadi ene nkomo hwehwe nyina no de bla also for our comment bla e wo nyame adwo be se hye bi yakra mo nyina.
A very big hello to all our lovely Taptap Send customers across the world. We appreciate you and we say a big thank you for supporting us and sticking with us all these years. You are the reason Taptap Send is there, and you will know that right now you are not able to use Taptap Send to send money to Ghana. The reason is that the Bank of Ghana has suspended our local partnerships with banks and financial institutions in Ghana. That means that we are not able to send your money to Ghana right now. This suspension is to do with the wallet product, which we Taptap Send launched in the UK and Europe. The wallet product is licensed by the regulators in the UK and Europe. It is legal and is totally compliant with all the regulations. Bank of Ghana, however, have some concerns with the wallet, which we are working really hard to address. So for now, they have suspended our operations in Ghana for up to a month, and we are working to do our very best to reduce that suspension as it stands. I will say, though, that the wallet product is legal in the UK, like I said. Your money is completely safe and protected by the laws in UK and Europe. So don't worry about your money. If you have money in the wallet, it will still be there when we come back, and it will be safe and secure. This wallet is innovation from us, and we hope that we can resolve this and continue to serve you, the Ghanaian diaspora. What I'll say, though, is just like you stuck with us all this time, please stick with us again. Don't send your money through others. Hold the money if you can and send it in December, because we are coming with big promotions. We are coming with big giveaways, and we are coming with good rates to allow you to send money to Ghana and have more money for your loved ones in Ghana. So please stay with us. Your love help us build Taptap Send to where it is right now. Your love and your support will continue to help us come back from these issues and continue to build Taptap Send. Thank you very much. We love you from all of the Ghana team. Please keep supporting us. We'll be back soon.
Taptap Send. Papa no no.